In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download signed document from DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to save your completed file with confidence. First, sign into your DocuSign account using your preferred browser or the mobile app. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. If you're using the app, the layout may be a bit different, but the options will be familiar. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you used to send or receive the document. Next, head to the Agreements tab in the top menu. This is where your envelopes live. An envelope is DocuSign's container for one or more documents and their recipients. Inside Agreements, you'll see categories like Sent, Received, and Completed. If you don't see Agreements right away, look for a menu icon or expand the navigation to reveal it. Now, locate the envelope that contains the signed document you need. Use the search bar to find it by recipient name, document title, or status. Before you proceed, confirm the envelope shows a status of completed. That tells you every required signature and action is finished. If it's not completed, the download won't include final signatures yet. Quick note while we're here, I've placed the official DocuSign website link along with mobile app download links right at the top of the description so you can access the correct platform quickly and safely. Open the envelope to view its details. You'll see sections for recipients, documents, and history. Recipients shows who signed, documents list the files inside the envelope, and history provides a time-stamped audit trail so you can verify what happened and when. In the Documents section, find the signed file you want to save. Click Download. You'll typically see this as a downward arrow icon or a button labeled Download. Choose how you want the file. Combined PDF merges everything in the envelope into a single file, while individual PDFs lets you download each document separately. Pick the option that fits your needs and save it to a secure location on your device. Finally, verify the download. Open the file and make sure all signatures, initials, and completed fields are visible. Check that the final signed date in the PDF matches the date shown in the DocuSign envelope's history. Depending on your settings, a certificate of completion may be included in the combined PDF or as a separate file. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your signed document from DocuSign. If this was helpful, please consider sharing it, and thanks for watching.